Hi, ik heet Kim. Hoe heet jij? Hallo, ik ben Trudy. Mijn naam is Trudy, maar ik heb liever dat jij u tegen mij zegt. Ja, ik heb liever dat jij u tegen mij zegt. Want ik ben veel ouder dan jij, jonge dame. Oh, sorry. Hoe heet u? Ik heet Trudy. Heel leuk om met u kennis te maken. Hi everyone. Goedendag allemaal, as we learned in the previous class. As you could see in the introduction, there are 3 ways to tell your name. The first one is ik ben. I am. And when you want to ask the other person who he or she is, then you could either say wie ben jij or je. Wie ben jij? Wie ben je? That's for informal situations. For instance, if someone is your own age, or you think that you can be on already a sort of friendly basis. But if you think you need to be a little more polite, for instance, if someone's older, or if you think that he or she might be your supervisor or whatever, you use u. Wie bent u? In another class, we're going to learn about conjugation of verbs. Wie ben jij? Wie bent u? Who are you? The second one is how I am called. Ik heet Kim. I'm called Kim. You have also the verb in German, which is heißen, or in Spanish, which is llamar. In English, you don't have this as an equivalent in a verb, so you have to learn this one. Heten, being called. Ik heet Kim. Hoe heet jij? Hoe heet je? Both informal. Hoe heet u? And the last one. Mijn naam is Kim. My name is Kim. Wat is jouw naam? Of je naam? Or, wat is uw naam? Both, what is your name? And then, when you met, you could say to each other, leuk om kennis met je te maken. Long sentence, yes. Leuk om kennis met je, or met u, te maken. Nice to meet you. A long sentence to say, nice to meet you. You could also make it a little bit shorter. Leuk om je te ontmoeten. Or leuk om u te ontmoeten. Okay, a lot of things that we have to cover in next classes. For instance, how to ask questions, what the personal pronouns are, how to conjugate verbs. So stay tuned if you want to learn this. First, I want to ask you guys, plural you, what your name is. So, the question in Dutch is, hoe heten jullie? What are you called? Can you answer with ik heet, or ik ben, or mijn naam is? Please tell me in the comments what your name is. Hoe heten jullie? Okay, see you soon. Doei!